In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to program and add a new key to a 2012 BMW 5 Series F10. I used an aftermarket key purchased from AliExpress for only $20. The procedure was completed using an Otofix IM1 interface together with the XP1 Pro IMMO tool. All the tools used are linked in the video description. I started by connecting the Otofix interface to the vehicle's OBD port. Then I accessed the IMMO function, selected the BMW brand, and used the automatic selection feature. The car was correctly identified via the VIN, and I continued with the IMMO status scan function. After running the IMMO status scan, I performed the quick DTC cleaning function. Once the process was completed, I made sure there were no remaining errors in any of the modules. This is a very important step. Next, I used the key add guided function. The procedure is well documented, and it's important to follow all the steps in detail. After completing Step 1, perform pre-processing, you must follow the manual instructions provided in Step 2, generate a key. At the end of the process, it's essential that both Step 1 and Step 2 display the final message, success. Once that's confirmed, both keys will function properly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.